Are you looking to cancel your Humble Choice annual plan immediately after purchase? This guide reveals the fastest way to stop those recurring charges and regain control of your subscription, ensuring you never pay for what you don't want. First, access your Humble Bundle account. Log in securely, then navigate directly to your user settings and find the Manage My Subscription section. This is where all your active plans are listed. If that doesn't immediately show the option, the issue might be how the platform initially processed your purchase. Our next step is to locate the Cancel Plan button within your Humble Choice details. Click it, confirm your decision, and understand that doing this immediately frees you from future annual commitments, preventing any unwanted charges. The system is designed for user control, and this direct action confirms your intent. However, sometimes browser data can interfere. If you encounter any resistance, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes old data that might be causing a glitch, allowing the cancellation process to complete smoothly. Finally, always verify your cancellation status by checking your email for a confirmation and relogging into your account to ensure the plan is marked as inactive. This final check is crucial for peace of mind and confirms the workaround was successful.